Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into something I find absolutely fascinating. We're talking about the invisible brain that's silently working behind the scenes to keep our entire global infrastructure safe, efficient, and running smoothly. I'm talking about industrial AI. You might not actually see it, but whether it's the massive factory building your smartphone, the power grid keeping your lights on, or the high-speed train you take to work, industrial AI is the unseen intelligence running the whole shebang. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll meet industrial AI, then we'll check out 8 specific ways it actually works. From there, we'll unpack the technology stack, see how it creates smarter industrial operations, and finally, look at a real-world case study on high-speed rail. Section 1. Meet industrial AI, the invisible brain of modern infrastructure. To really grasp the future of industry, we first need to define what exactly is powering it. The biggest takeaway here? Industrial AI is not just some software living in your web browser. No, it's this highly specialized blend of industrial engineering, data science, and the physical world. It's artificial intelligence purposely built for the factory floor, the power plant, the supply chain. Its entire goal is to let industrial systems learn from massive amounts of operational data so they can just continuously get better and better at what they do. Comparing general AI to industrial AI really brings this home, right? So we hear a lot about general AI, the algorithms recommending your next TV show or chatbots helping you draft an email. That's mostly digital work. Industrial AI, though, it does the heavy lifting out in the physical world. It uses smart sensors and machine learning applied directly to physical infrastructure. So while a chatbot might write a memo, industrial AI is out there keeping a multi-ton machine from breaking down or making sure a factory doesn't waste thousands of gallons of water. The stakes are physical, and they are absolutely crucial. Section 2. 8 ways AI works. How artificial intelligence is deployed on the ground. Now that we know what it is, let's zoom in a layer deeper. Think of industrial AI as a team of hyper-focused experts working around the clock. As an inspector, it uses intelligent quality inspection to spot, say, millimeter-sized cracks on a product line, and it does this 24/7 without ever getting tired. As a manager, it handles energy management, clipping those expensive electricity peaks and forecasting demand. It even acts like a safety officer, using safety monitoring to detect worker fatigue or instantly spot fire and smoke. And with predictive maintenance, it's literally listening to the temperature, the vibration, the sound of machinery to predict exactly when a part is going to fail. Section 3. The technology stack. The tools making industrial AI possible. Let's move on and see how this builds, because to make those incredible applications a reality, you need a rock-solid foundation. It all starts with the IoT, the Industrial Internet of Things. Basically, these are the smart sensors slapped onto physical machines to constantly collect data. But where does all that data go? Well, that's where edge computing steps in. Instead of beaming all that data to a server miles away, edge computing processes it locally, right next to the machine. We're talking lightning-fast, zero-latency decisions, which, is pretty critical when a machine needs to shut down instantly to prevent an accident. Meanwhile, cloud computing handles the massive storage and heavy AI training. And wrapping this whole thing up like a protective blanket is cybersecurity, which is non-negotiable for protecting these networks from threats. Now, what's really interesting about this next concept is the digital twin. Imagine a perfect virtual clone of a real-world asset, let's say a massive wind turbine. This digital clone is continuously fed real-time data straight from the physical turbine sensors. Why is this such a big deal? Well, because engineers can safely simulate operations, predict failures, and test out maintenance strategies on this digital twin without ever touching the real multi-million-dollar equipment. It's essentially the ultimate sandbox. Section 4. Smarter industrial operations, from reactive to proactive. So understanding the tech stack is great and all, but how does this actually change the day-to-day reality inside a facility? We're seeing a massive, massive shift here. Traditional operations, they rely heavily on human experience and manual monitoring. You basically run a machine until it breaks, and then you scramble to fix it. It's stressful, and honestly, it's super expensive. Intelligent operations, on the other hand, are driven by real-time sensor networks and predictive analytics. Instead of waiting for a total breakdown, the AI uses continuous learning to automatically optimize things. It works right alongside human engineers, offering recommendations so teams can step in and fix a machine way before a failure even happens. So, what does this actually look like in the real world? We've talked about the theory and the tech, but let's zoom in on a concrete example where the stakes are incredibly high. Section 5. Case study. High-speed rail, putting industrial AI to the ultimate test. A modern, high-speed rail network is this massive, intricate web of thousands of interconnected components. The tracks, the signals, the wheels, the brakes. And in an environment like this, an unexpected failure isn't just a minor headache, it's a huge safety risk. Failure is simply not an option. So let's walk through the life cycle of the data here. Picture a single wheel bearing on a train zooming across the country. Step 1, sensors collect live data on that bearing's vibration and temperature. Step 2, that data is instantly and securely transmitted via 5G or fiber optics. Step 3, here is where the magic happens. The AI analysis kicks in. Over several weeks, the machine learning models notice a very, very slight abnormal vibration in that one specific wheel bearing. It's a subtle pattern, totally invisible to a human inspector. The train is still running perfectly, but the AI knows exactly what this pattern means, based on mountains of historical data. And that leads to Step 4. Failure prediction, where the AI estimates the component's remaining useful life. 120 hours. I really want to emphasize this number. The AI has calculated, with almost clairvoyant accuracy, that this specific wheel bearing has exactly 120 operating hours left before it degrades into a critical, potentially dangerous failure. And having that 120-hour warning, it literally changes everything. It enables what we call condition-based maintenance. Instead of replacing parts on a rigid fixed schedule, which, let's be honest, wastes perfectly good parts, or just waiting for an emergency breakdown, maintenance teams can now act precisely when needed. Because of that 120-hour alert, the engineering team can just swap out the bearing during a regularly scheduled maintenance window. This kind of brilliant human-AI collaboration saves the railway a ton of money, completely prevents service delays, and most importantly, it keeps all those passengers perfectly safe. So the crucial point here is that this technology is not standing still, it is evolving fast. We're seeing generative AI stepping up to assist engineers in complex design, and green AI optimizing operations so they're radically more energy efficient. We're pushing more intelligence out to the edge and seeing a massive shift toward Industry 5.0, where the focus is heavily on sustainable, resilient factories that are deeply human-centered. See, industrial AI isn't about replacing human workers, it's about elevating them. It frees up humans to make the strategic decisions while the AI handles the overwhelming complexity of all that data. Which brings us to a really compelling final thought. As AI autonomously handles the invisible, staggering complexities of our physical world, how will human ingenuity and AI collaboration redefine the industries of tomorrow? The foundations are already being laid right now in our factories, our power grids, and our railways. It's an absolutely fascinating partnership to watch unfold. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep looking closely at the world around you because the invisible brain of industrial AI is only getting smarter.